Alright, Lisa and I are back with another taste test of some Pillsbury mini soft baked cookies and chocolate chip. I love me some chocolate chips, and I'm a fan of Pillsbury, so I'm hoping that these will be tasty. Time will tell. Well, they smell like typical packaged cookies. Looks like there's 4 per package. Little baby
oh
cookie.
my.
Tiny.
Hey, but this is Wawa size.
No, it's got chocolate. She can't
No
have.
chocolate for the Wawa size
A
cookie.
little tiny cookie.
Cheers.
Oops, sorry, here we go. They stayed in the bag, thank goodness. We didn't lose any cookies.
For a moment there, I thought you threw the cookie on the floor. I was like, oh, poor little cookie.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
Chocolatey soft.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Yeah, those are good.
I think 4 per serving is pretty pathetic, but that's just me. 130 calories per serving, and 4 cookies is 1 serving.
Mm. Yeah, they are really small.
Yeah.
It'd be 1 full-size cookie probably if you put it all into one.
Not terrible.
No.
I get these again, especially like little mini snack cookies for on the go.
Well, and they're nice and soft. I prefer a soft
Also,
over a hard cookie, so these are really
yeah,
yummy.
me too. Let me know if you've ever had these Pillsbury soft baked cookies. And if you haven't, get you some. I'll see if I can find a link. I'll put it below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.